Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, let's create it under 3 minutes. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide that we created, we need to create these 4 shapes. I'm going to create one and then use the shapes that I prepared. Okay, at first, we need to create a shape. Okay, and then by control, create a copy of that. And after creating a copy of that, align it in the center. Now select both of them, go to shape format, and then make them fragment. Now you have 2 shapes, 2 rectangles that are in the same size. And you can copy them by holding control. Now, for the shadow, we are going to use this shadow. And then just simply change the colors and remove the outlines. Okay, this is it. Now let me just copy the shape that I created. After creating the shape, you must write the text in the shapes. That is easy, just typing the text in the shape. For that thing, we use Overdrive Sunset as a font and one of these things as a layer. Okay, now you need to insert this brain. How you can insert this icon from here? You have internet, you can access that. Okay. After inserting, just copy that, and whenever you copy that, don't forget you need to select all of them, go to shape format, and align them center, middle, just center, middle is not needed. You see, we have a problem. This is not going as we planned. So how we can make it as we planned? We just need to send this back, send this back, send this back in this order, send this back, and send this back. Okay, now everything is ready. We just need to copy that, and here when we select all of them, go to shape format and align them center. Now press Ctrl A to select all of them and make them here. Now set the transition to morph. You see, it's looking really beautiful. I hope you like that. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and also you can do some modification for making it more beautiful. For example, you can change the distance like this to the way you placed. Let's look at this. You see, it creates a little delay that make it more beautiful. I hope you have a nice time. Until then.